छोटे बालक से वार्तालाप।
Conversation with the child.
What is your name?
My name is Prince.
Prince. Prince is your pet name. But what is your name in the school?
My name in the school is Amit Gupta.
Well, Amit, in which school do you read?
I read in DAV School Rajnagar.
Your school is far away from your house. How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
It means you travel in bus daily and see new things.
Uncle, our bus pass through long route and it is boring.
Perhaps. In which class do you read?
I read in 7th class, uncle.
At what time your school starts?
At 9:30 a.m.
How is your school?
Uncle, our school is one of the best school in Delhi.
How many students are there in your class?
Only 25 students.
Do you play games in your school?
Yes, I play table tennis.
What is your hobby?
Singing and dance are my hobbies.
Who's your best friend in the class?
Sekhar is my best friend.
When do you come back from your school?
I come back from school at 5 p.m.
How do you like your school?
I like my school very much.
Do you learn computer at your school?
Yes, uncle, it's in our course.
What do you want to become in life?
I want to become a computer engineer.
Prince, you are a good boy. I love you.
Thank you, uncle.
Goodbye, Tata.
Goodbye, uncle.